Very good morning, student. Today we will study about the third chapter, features, problems, and policy of agriculture. Right? First, we understand role of agriculture sector in Indian economy. What role play by agriculture sector? First, in share in national income. Right? It help in GDP growth, right. Second is largest employment providing sector, right. It provide larger number of employment to the citizens, right. Contribution to capital formation. And fourth is also providing raw material to industries. And fifth, market for industrial product. And sixth is provision of food grains and earner of foreign exchange. These are the role of agriculture sector in Indian economy. It means it is the contributions to GDP. Means agriculture sector make its contribution to GDP in India. As you know, during the period of planning, contribution of agriculture sector to GDP had been ranging between 51 to 17% for different years. It has tended to decline over time from as high as 51% in 1951 to 14.4% in 2018-19. However, the declines in percentage of agriculture to GDP does not indicate the decline in importance of agriculture in the economy. It often occurs to relatively faster growth of secondary and tertiary sector of the economy. Here is means it's a decline, means this is not decline, this is shifting of agriculture sector to providing the base for industrial sectors and service sector. So this is the important role of agriculture sector. Got it? Now students, we will understand the features of agriculture sectors, right. First of all, agriculture was the major source of livelihood. About 75% of country's populations depend on agriculture sectors. The agriculture sector also faced stagnation and deterioration during British rule due to their policy, also due to other backwardness. British rule introduced new land tenure systems which proved to be prominent cause of agriculture sectors, right. Land tenure system, right. And agriculture production deteriorate because of lack of irrigation facility and technological upgradations. So this is the big problem in agriculture sectors, right, on the eve of independence. Now students, some other on this we understand here, right. Agriculture sector on eve of independence we have already discussed. Other problem are small and fragmented land holding. I have already discussed outdated technology. Now I have already discussed. And dependence on rainfall, means there is no means of other facility for agriculture sector. Low level of productivity and production and productivity due to the lack of facilities like fertilizers, manures, and etc. And subsistence farming, meaning primary objective for person was to produce for his own family, not other. Wages between owners and tiller of the soil. This is the triangular. One is the British government, other is the Jamidar, and third was the tillers. Right? The owner never shared cost of output. Instead, they shared output only to the farmer and they exploit the farmer. Right? So we understand it. In this video, we understand role of agriculture sector on the in an economy. And second, we understand feature of agriculture was the major source of revenue. Feature of agriculture sector we have studied, right, in this video. So, thanks for watching this. Have a